प्रलंबित मागण्यो पुराय जावंक नाशिल्ल्यान बँकांनी देशव्यापी संप केला। युनायटेड फोरम ऑफ बँक युनियन्स खाला पणजेच्या आदात मैदानाचेर बँक कर्मचाऱ्यांनी निर्देशना केली। बँक कर्मचाऱ्यां खातीर सप्तकात 5 दीस काम आनी 2 दीस सुटी लागीं करची म्हण तांची मागणी आसा। सध्या बँक कर्मचारी सप्तकात 6 दीस काम करतात, ताका आयताराची सुटी मेळटा। या शिवाय महिन्याचो दुसरो आनी चवथो शेनवार बँकेक सुटी आसता, मात सगळे शेनवार सुटी दिवची म्हण युनियनाची मागणी आसा।
You have gathered here. I'm happy to see the large crowd. Today we have striking and also losing 1 day salary. I have hats off to you, all of you. This demand of 5 days banking is over the decade. We were demanding this 5-day banking with the IBA government, but till today government is not approving our 5-day banking demand. In 2015 we got two Saturdays holiday, 2nd and 4th. First, it was assured by the government that we will consider your demand. I will not go in deep because we have many speakers to speak and agenda is single. Making it a very single, non-negotiable demand, that is 5-day banking. In 2024, the agreement was signed between IBA and UFU that all Saturdays will be holiday, and IBA recommended to the government, but almost 2 years passed, it is lying in the tower of government. We have demonstrated in Panji, Madgaon, Vasco, Honda, Sanklim, Bichole. 2 times demonstration was done. The office bearer of all the unions has made a dharna here. We have been sitting here for dharna on 5th January 2026. We have done a signature campaigning also. We have sent a letters to the finance minister by all the bank branches employees. Today, in the entire country, more than 8 lakh employees, officers, clerks, sub-staff are on strike, sacrificing their 1 day salary. More than 2 lakh branches, more than 88 out of it, 88,000 plus branches of the public sector bank, more than 1 lakh branches of the cooperative bank and other private banks are on strike today in the entire country. It's a massive strike involving each and every bank employee, involving the sacrifice of 1 day salary. The question before us, why such a massive strike for this demand? This is a simple demand, a logical demand, a justified demand, and yet the government made 8 lakh employees to go on strike to sacrifice their salary. More than 2 lakh branches have been closed. Our demand started in 2012 when we were preparing for the 10th bipartite settlement. Because you remember, branches in bank branches were working half day on all Saturdays at that time. In 2015, in the 10th bipartite settlement, it was agreed that the 2nd and the 4th Saturday will be holiday, whereas the other Saturday will be full day working. But we continued our demand of Saturday off on all the days. Unfortunately, for the 11th bipartite time, we could not press the demand because we were during the COVID situation.